GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about StakeStone. It's finally time to claim. As you can see here, the ticker is STO and we are now finally able to claim the first round of token rewards after a very long time. I did a couple of videos on StakeStone here on my channel and now's the time to actually claim. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in this video. As always, all the links, such as this announcement here from StakeStone on X, are down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Send this video to your friends so they know how to claim. This is the announcement and they show how the tokenomics look like, the vesting schedule for the different stakeholders. I don't want to go into too much detail. Feel free to look through this. I just want to focus on how the actual claim works. Here you can see the Medium article that they link in this thread as well. We got some more explanations here, how the total allocation for this wave looks like. It's 7.4%. The claiming opened on April 3rd and it is available 30 days. So make sure to claim it within that time frame. What's important to know is that this is a claim on BNB chain and this is the token ticker. So always make sure that you're trading the correct one. You can always copy this one. This here is the Gecko terminal from CoinGecko. You can see that it's currently trading for roughly 5 to 6 cents, quite down a bit, but as we all know, everything is basically down. And we're currently at a market cap of 12.6 million. Fully diluted is 30 million. Yeah, that's enough for all the infos around this. Let's go to the claim site, which is airdrop.stakestone.io. You can click on enter and then you need to connect your wallet. You can claim your allocation. If you use the OKX wallet, you get 5% extra. As you can read here, use OKX Wallet to claim STO Airdrop, get 5% bonus, max 100 STO per address for extra rewards. Rewards will be airdropped directly to your wallet later. So this means that if you claim with an OKX wallet, you get 5% extra. I'm gonna show you how to do this with, I don't have the OKX wallet installed right now, but it might make sense for you to do this. In my case, I click next now, even with the Rebby Wallet. As you can see, I am able to claim 600, so 5% from this would be 30. Here, if we scroll down on the Gecko terminal, we can see that 600 are $33 right now, or 0.06 ETH. If we go in, this would be $1.70 more if I would claim this with the OKX wallet. I don't think that's really worth it, but that's completely up to you. Then the only thing you need to do is hit claim, and then you need to read the TOS, the terms of service. Make sure that you're only in a country that is eligible. And yeah, you can go through those here and then you need to accept those. So this is completely up to you if you accept those or not, but you can't claim if you don't accept them. Then you need to sign the transaction. And then as you can see here, the simulation failed. I got an insufficient BSC balance for transfer. I would need to pay 0.0025 BNB. That doesn't work. I showed you this in one of the other videos on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it here as well, that I could use the gas account that I have in Rabby. I clicked on this and then I click like this here, use USD from my gas account to pay for gas, and then I click sign and confirm. If you don't have the gas account in Rebby, then you would need some BNB to actually claim this. But I did this with the gas account. I explained this in a video how great this gas account really is. Exactly for those cases, I don't have any BNB on the chain right now on this wallet, but the gas account is there to save me. They just use some USD, and after some time then I will have the STO in my wallet. I could then either sell the STO or I could stake it for more rewards on the carnival.stakestone.io, for example, provide some stone and get more points for more rewards. That's completely up to you what you gonna do with this. I will probably sell this and take the ETH out of this, but yeah, that's completely up to you. That's already it. This is how you claim your StakeStone rewards. If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out the other videos on my channel, such as the abstract series, where I show you in weekly updates how to claim the different badges. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.